Here's a great question. After being in our house from Sarah Off the Grid for 2 years, your question is whether we'd change anything, whether we regret anything, and whether we use the Belvedere very often. Okay, that's actually 3 questions. Would I change anything? No, I wouldn't change a thing. We are so happy in the house, and I think the key is that we spent so much time thinking about it and planning it before we built it that we actually really knew what we wanted. 2 and 3, the Belvedere. I love the Belvedere. I will be completely honest and say I don't think we spent nearly enough time in the Belvedere. That is a goal. That is something I want to change. And I was thinking about it over the weekend, thinking, when do we spend the most time in the Belvedere? And I'd say it's in sort of spring and summer, because it's an awesome place to go in the evening and open up all the windows and let the breezes come through. But the coolest thing we did over Christmas holidays, we had Christmas Day fondue lunch in the Belvedere. And let me tell you, that was heaven.